Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you Sri Lankan style noodle and chicken curry. This is a comforting home style dish that brings together soft noodles and a rich special chicken gravy in one delicious meal. This dish is perfect for busy days because it's simple to prepare, filling and loved by the whole family. It works beautifully for lunch or dinner and can be adjusted to your spice level, whatever you like it, mild or little fiery. Sri Lankan noodle chicken curry is great example of everyday comfort food, affordable ingredients, bold flavors, and a meal that truly feels like home. Let's get started. First, we are going to make the chicken curry because this curry goes perfectly with the noodles. Today, I am using 3 chicken breast cut into medium pieces. If you have chicken with bone, that's even better for flavor. But today, I am using chicken breast. For the curry, I am using 1.5 tablespoon of oil, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, 3 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder. I also have some tamarind. I have soaked in a small piece in warm water. You can easily find this in supermarkets or Asian grocery stores. Today I'm not using tomatoes. For aromatics, I have one large chopped onion, ginger garlic, curry leaves, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, about 5 cardamoms and 5 cloves, and few pieces of cinnamon. Start by heating the oil in a pan. First add the ginger and garlic. Then add the aromatic spices, curry leaves, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. Let them release their aroma. Next, add chopped onion and fry evenly everything together for a couple of minutes. Now add the chili powder. Adding chili powder at this stage gives the curry beautiful red color. Then add salt. It's up to your salt level. Curry powder and black pepper. Final one is turmeric. Cook the spices for a couple of minutes. Then add the chicken pieces and mix everything well. Since this is a curry, add a little water. Not too much at first, just enough to combine everything. Let it cook for few minutes until the water evaporates. Then add more water depending on how much gravy you want. Once the chicken is cooking nicely, add the tamarind water. It gives the curry a gentle sour taste, so don't add too much. At this stage, you can add coconut milk or coconut cream if you have it. I don't have any today, so I am using natural yogurt instead. I mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with 2 tablespoons of water and add into the curry. If you want deeper red color, you can add little paprika or Kashmir chili powder. Now my chicken is ready. Now let's make the noodle to eat with the curry. Today I am using Sri Lankan noodles. You can find them in Asian groceries or Sri Lankan grocery stores. They are slightly different from regular noodles and very tasty. For vegetables, I am using grated carrots, leeks separated into white and green parts, capsicum green and red, green beans. Traditionally, capsicum isn't used in, but I am adding it for color, small pieces. For the seasoning, I am using salt and pepper along with onion, ginger, garlic, and curry leaves. Let's cook the noodles first. Add boiling hot water to the noodles to cover the noodles. Add a little salt and cover with the lid and let it them cook. Check with your finger to see if they are cooked. It's only take about 2 minutes when using boiling water. Once cooked, drain the noodles and rinse them under the cold running water. This step them from overcooking and keep them separate. Now to prepare the noodles, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add ginger and garlic and curry leaves and saute briefly. Then add the onions and cook until fragrant. Next, add the vegetables. My leeks are slightly mature and a bit woody, so I am adding them early to soften. If your leeks are soft and tender, you can add them later towards the end. Cook everything together until the vegetables just tender and still colorful. Now I am adding my seasoning to the vegetables. First, salt, just enough for the noodle and vegetables. If needed, you can always adjust it later. Next, black pepper, about 1.5 teaspoon. Mix everything well. Vegetables should be soft but still colorful. Now my vegetables are cooked perfectly and it's time to mix with the noodle. I have already washed the noodles under the cold running water and drained them very well in a strainer. You can see there is no excess water in noodles. Using two spatulas, mix the noodles and vegetables together thoroughly. Keep the heat on high at this stage. This helps remove all the remaining moisture from the noodles. Take your time and mix everything well so the vegetables are evenly distributed. These noodles are so flavorful and that you can enjoy them on their own. You can also serve them with a fried egg, another curry, or just like this. Today I am serving them with the chicken curry, so I didn't add egg. And here it is, Sri Lankan style vegetable noodles served with rich chicken curry. These noodles are soft, colorful, and full of fresh vegetables, lightly seasoned so every flavor shines through. And this chicken curry, thick, aromatic, and beautifully spiced, pairs perfectly with the noodles. Each bite is comforting, balanced, and incredibly satisfying. You get the freshness from the vegetables and softness of the noodles and deep flavor of the curry all in one plate. This is complete meal its own, simple, homemade, and full of flavor. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or comforting family meal. Thanks for watching.